I was invented because a guy's chocolate bar melted in his pocket. Also me, the spaghetti explosion from 2019 is still there. Percy Spencer was testing radar equipment in 1945, noticed his snack melted. Most people would be annoyed. He saw a billion-dollar idea. The first microwave was 6 feet tall, cost $5,000. That's like $85,000 today. You couldn't afford me if you tried. Took 20 years to make me small and cheap. By the late 70s, I was finally in homes. Now 90% of American kitchens have me. Fun fact, I don't heat food from the inside out. That's a myth. I heat water molecules. They vibrate. That's it. Most of you only use me to reheat coffee and make popcorn. I can cook full meals. But sure, leftover pizza again. I'm not bitter.